What is good, guys? Welcome to another video. Now this one is gonna be a banger. I'm dropping a ton of knowledge for you guys, absolutely free. I don't want nothing from you guys. I don't want your money. I don't want to sell you a course, none of that. But I'm gonna be giving you guys a really powerful scalping strategy. This is for the 30-minute, 15-minute time frames, using absolutely nothing except for support and resistance and price action. So no indicators, no patterns, no goofy stuff, none of that. I've been using this strategy for many months now, and it has done so well. So I'm just going to be giving it to you guys in this video. I'm going to try to make it short and fast for you guys so you can sit and watch through the whole thing. So yeah, all I ask for in return is to subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this, and give the video a like if you enjoyed it, and comment any questions you have down below, even if you just want to support. But I'll be answering any question that you guys have. This channel is growing, but it's still relatively small, so I will be answering every single person's question. So without further ado, I'm gonna hop on the computer and let's get this video started. All right, so I'm gonna show you a couple of trades on GJ and one on Euro JPY. Now the premise of this strategy is basically waiting for a break of support or resistance, okay? And then targeting the next level of support or resistance, while also looking for clean traffic to the left. So I'm going to explain this in a second. One important thing to understand is you can think of support and resistance levels as magnets. Okay, these are magnet zones. When price breaks past one level of support, it's going to come down and test the next level of support. Okay, that's just basic market structure. And so how can we use this knowledge to our advantage? Another thing, this strategy is really only beneficial on high volume times. So the London session and the New York session, these trades just play out a lot better when there's a lot of volume in the market. So look those sessions up and what time they are for your time zone, just because it's different for everyone depending on where you live. Starting on GJ on the 30-minute time frame, it's very clear that we have this level of support being formed, once here, and we're coming down to reach this level of support again. So what I would do if I was on this chart, I would mark up this level of support, and I would wait for price to break below this level of support. Because if it does, we have very clean traffic over here, and we can expect price to come down and test. And we can expect price to come down and test this next level of minor support right here. So I'll mark that up as well. So here we are, very clean traffic here. And if price breaks and closes below this zone, I would be confident in taking a trade here and targeting this next level of support. It's very important though to wait for the candle to close below support. So let's play this and see what we would do here. Okay, right here, the candle closed below the support. So I would take a short position right here at the open of this next candle, and then I would go on to the 15-minute time frame to put my stop loss right above the candle that we entered from. So a 16 pip stop loss. However, we do have a 34 pip take profit, which is not a bad risk to reward at all. So let's see how this trade would have turned out. Of course, you want to be patient and trust the analysis. Price did come up a few times, but that's why our stop loss is where it is. And here we go. We hit our take profit. It's very simple, guys. When price breaks below a level of support, it is most likely going to come down and test the next level of support. It's just basic market structure, and we just took advantage of it right here. If you missed this trade like I did, another trade we could have taken was on the 15-minute chart. So as you can see, we created this level of minor support here, and we also created this resistance here. Now if price breaks above this resistance, we're going to do the same thing and target this next level of resistance. If price breaks below this level of support, then we will target that zone, that next level of support that we marked up over here. All right, and it's very simple. We got to wait for a close of the candle. So let's see what happens. Price is making support, and bam, price closed below the support. I'll take a short position here. I'll put my stop loss above the candle, and I will target this next level of support here. So this is a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio trade. However, I see this set up so many times that I'm super comfortable taking this trade. This is how it turns out. Again, price broke below this level of support and it came down to tap into the next level of support as shown right here. Very, very simple, guys. It's really, really simple. I'm gonna show you a better example on Euro JPY for this. So price was ranging for a very, very long time. It finally broke below this level of support. So if you were taking this trade on the 4-hour time frame, your targets would be this next level of resistance here, because there's clean traffic here. The next level is here, and if price breaks past one level, it's gonna go test the next level. It's just, again, very, very basic. So this would have been a very, very great trade on the 4-hour. So that's pretty much it, guys. It's very, very simple. Just thinking of these zones as magnet zones. When price breaks past one of them, it's going to come up to the next one. It's been proven in history, you know, especially at these high volume times in the New York session and the London session. This is the best time to take these trades. I made a ton of money with this strategy, and I'm doing it for the FTMO challenge as well. Alright, so that's going to be the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys learned something new. This is a great scalping strategy. Again, you want to take these trades during the London session or the New York session, because those are times of high volume. And this is where you'll see these trades play out the most. So yeah, I've been doing this strategy for months now. I've made thousands off of it. And I am doing the FTMO challenge. As you guys know, this is the same strategy I'm using for the FTMO challenge. My next video is going to be an update on the challenge that I'm doing right now. If you guys didn't know, I'm making a series of my journey to getting funded with $225,000 with FTMO. I'm doing the $25,000 challenge right now, and my next video is going to be episode 1 of that series, basically giving you guys an update on how it's going so far. So I'm going to be posting a lot of valuable stuff on this channel. If you guys want to stay updated with that series and just learn more informational videos like this for free, it wouldn't hurt to subscribe to the channel. All I ask from you guys is a like on this video and to subscribe to the channel. I don't want your money. I don't want to sell you a course. All I ask in return is for help in growing this channel. If you have any questions, comment down below. I'll be answering everybody's questions. And that's going to be it. I'll see you guys in the next video.